So you're trying to tell me you can talk to the fridge?
Yes. Hi, Samsung.
Well, what should we ask it to do?
Play Pandora.
Okay, launching Pandora.
Whoa, what else can it do?
Show us what's inside.
Open recipes.
Pancakes.
Read recipe.
Combine milk with vinegar.
Oh no, we're out of maple syrup.
Hi, Samsung. Find maple syrup on Fresh Direct. Add to cart.
Open memo.
Thanks for saving the day, Mom.
Raid the fridge without losing your cool. LG InstaView Door and Door.
Let's have a look at two key technologies featured in Panasonic refrigerators. First, Econavi. It's almost like Econavi refrigerators have a mind of their own. The secret is the intelligent sensors. The lighting sensor detects the level of light in the room. The door sensor detects how often the refrigerator door is opened and closed. The room temperature sensor works with the internal temperature sensor to detect the difference between the room temperature and the temperature inside the refrigerator, adjusting the power level accordingly. Each of these sensors gathers and stores 3 weeks of information about user lifestyle patterns. And that data is used for precise control of the refrigerator's compressor, so energy consumption is reduced without your even knowing it. The second key technology is the bottom freezer design. To make the refrigerator easier to use, we moved the refrigeration compartments up. This brings the main refrigeration compartment closer to an average user's waistline, making foods that are most often accessed easier to reach, reducing burden on the user. Panasonic Econavi refrigerators continue to evolve.
Panasonic.